Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the hotspot now. First, confirm your carrier plan and iOS are current so tethering works. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot, or go directly to Settings, Personal Hotspot. Turn Allow Others to join on. Set a secure Wi-Fi password and check the iPhone name shown. You'll use that on other devices. Once done, keep the phone unlocked briefly to avoid background restrictions, and make sure low power mode is off so the hotspot stays active. Next, you connect devices. Decide Wi-Fi for convenience, USB for stability and charging, or Bluetooth for low power. On the client device, open its Wi-Fi list, find your iPhone name, and enter the hotspot password you set. For a Mac, pick the iPhone from the Wi-Fi menu or plug it in via USB and choose iPhone in network settings. Once connected, monitor data usage in Settings Cellular so you don't hit limits, and enable auto join only for trusted devices. To finish, manage connections and battery. Check active clients in Personal Hotspot and watch cellular data usage. Turn the hotspot off when not needed, or use USB tethering to charge while sharing. If a device won't connect, make sure it uses the correct iPhone name and password. Once done, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, restart your iPhone, and if still failing, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. That clears network glitches while preserving your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.